Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another pilot vlog. Everybody has just been loaded. I'm driving a a330 today, and I'm piloting it, and we're flying from Greater Rockford back to Perth because I'm going to start flying small airplanes for a little bit after the crash we had last time, and I'm not feeling so confident about this flight because that was a Boeing 737, and I mean, just look at it. It was good. I love Boeing 737s, but it's just ever since what happened in America with the MAX 9, it's a little bit iffy with the 737 now. So, we've got pushback going right now at about 10 knots. We have career in air. What is he? Why? Is that an A380? Okay, well, we have an A380 beside of us. Wait, why are you? Where are you? I was like, bud, where? Because I've got to go that way too. We do not have Korean Air flying back. I'm a Delta flight. I can't. Korean Air is moving pretty slow. We're going to keep it at 25% throttle. ATC at Greater Rockford. This is Delta Flight 8765, taxiing to runway 33. Actually, runway 57 for requesting takeoff. This is ATC at Greater Rockford. You are clear for takeoff whenever you get there. Have a safe flight. I did that a little early. That's on me. But I mean, I'm close. Korean Air is taxiing out here too. Dude. Man. I don't know where Korean Air is going. I think he's going to this runway, but I'm not completely sure. Yep. He's gonna watch me take off. I don't know. He's a good ways behind me. I'm first in line. Just gonna radio in again. ATC Greater Rockford. This is Delta Flight 8765. Am I clear for takeoff? This is Greater Rockford ATC. You are clear for takeoff on runway 57. Alright, full throttle. Fly A380. Is that Air Force One? Also, he was just coming in here earlier with the president. Cause the president came in here earlier. Not in his helicopter, cause he was visiting Greater Rockford. I'm honestly gonna look behind me because he's gonna have to wait for a little bit until I at least get off the island. Oh, what? Dude, that dude almost came up and hit me. I was shot down a civilian airliner. That would not have been good. Okay. Yeah. Attention Delta flight passengers. We have reached our cruising height of 32,000 feet. If any of you have questions, please please feel free to ask our flight attendants, and food and drinks will be served in about 5 to 10 minutes. And you may now get up out of your seat, and please stay careful because we have some rough wind tonight, and enjoy your flight. Oh yeah, it was a good night. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna take a quick nap. An hour later. So, how are we doing? He went to go use the bathroom probably when I got up. Okay. Loading altitude at about 32,920 feet and 475 knots. And we should be in Perth in about, 30 minutes? I'm gonna tell you what a real long flight is. Origi to, it's from Tokyo International to Southampton. It's a really long flight. I flew there a couple times, like 2 times. You sleep at least 2 times in the trip. It's a big, it's at least a 32-hour trip. Go to St. Barthany again. It's been about a week since the emergency landing that I had, and I'm feeling better. They launched an investigation, and they found out that because that engine went out was because whenever they were doing maintenance, they were trying to put the fuel in and hit it against the engine, which knocked a bunch of wires loose that were because that 737 was old. I'm telling you, it was old. It was kind of scary to ride and fly and stuff. Because those wires were so old, they disconnected, which was not pumping fuel to the engine, which made it shut off. And then the other engine shut off because of too much throttle on it for too long. Because the 2 engines are supposed to work together. Attention passengers, we are coming into Perth. Local time is 9:43 p.m. Okay, attention passengers. We are coming in. Sorry, we had a slight issue in the cockpit. But local time is 5:30 a.m. My bad. We will be landing in about 25 minutes. So actually, all runways we have a busy runway at Perth. So that's why I'm having to do a go around. Because it's really busy at Perth right now, so I'm having to do a go around. There is Perth International right there. The sun is rising, and it is looking like a beautiful morning in Perth right now. I've got to fly to Lukala Airport later, and I will be documenting that too. I've been flying planes for about 25 years now, and I'm coming to the end of my career, so I'm thinking about just flying little planes, and that's why this will be like my last commercial flight that I'm doing. But yeah, it's been a good run. I didn't document until about, 3 months ago. And, cause like, I didn't think about that. I'm like, 35, 40 years old now. So,
400, 300. Minimum
gear down.
200. 100.
Butter.
70,
I gotta think of a butter.
40, 30, 20.
Last commercial flight has to be a butter.
Retard.
Ooh, that was butter. Ooh, came a little faster, but that's alright. Delta Flight 8765, taxiing into Bay 5. Oh, Greater Rockford was not meant for this. Okay. Good, we missed it. Okay. We came close, but we're all good. And this is Levi signing off. Until next time.